You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names from geography and from French, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? For reference, in French it is said as Basseterre. Basseterre, meaning low earth, literally. In English, you can say it as Basseterre, Basseterre, from French, Basseterre. And now you know, more videos for you here to learn more confusing names that many mispronounce. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.